In this video, I will show you how to write this symbol that exists. So click on Insert the equation, and in this second line you will see some useful symbols. Find out here in the second line, select it. You can use this shortcut /EX ISTS. Then press space. So thanks for watching.